Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into a really useful topic for TCL TV owners, how to magnify the screen. Whether you're struggling to read small text or want to get a closer look at details in your favorite shows, we've got you covered with some simple steps. Stick around till the end because we'll also cover a few tips to enhance your viewing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing accessibility settings. To begin, grab your TCL TV remote. Look for the settings button, often represented by a gear icon. Press it to open the main menu. Step 2. Navigating to accessibility options. Once in the settings menu, scroll down to find accessibility. This section houses all the features designed to make your TV easier to use. Step 3. Enabling screen magnification. Inside the accessibility settings, locate the option labeled Screen Magnification or something similar. Select it to open the screen magnifier settings. Step 4. Adjusting magnification level. Now, you'll see a slider or options to adjust the magnification level. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to increase or decrease the magnification until it suits your preference. Step 5. Exiting screen magnification. Once you've set the desired magnification level, simply press the exit or back button on your remote to return to regular viewing mode. Conclusion. And there you have it. Magnifying your TCL TV screen is quick and easy, thanks to these steps. Whether it's for clearer text or a closer look at details, this feature enhances your viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.